In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Lili in 2025. Let's dive right in and guide you through the entire process from start to finish. The first step is to visit the Lili website. Open up your web browser and type in lili.co. Once there, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the beginning of the application process where you'll start entering your information. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information. Lili will ask for your full name, your phone number, an email address you use regularly, your social security number, commonly referred to as your SSN, your date of birth, and your physical address. Make sure you double check these details for accuracy, as this will speed up the approval process and help to avoid any snags later on. Now let's move on to your business details. Here, you'll enter the name and address of your business. You will also need your employer identification number, or EIN for short, and lastly, you should be ready to specify the type of business you are operating. Whether it's an LLC, a corporation, or a sole proprietorship, having this information handy will help you move through this section quickly. To verify your identity, you'll then upload a valid government-issued ID. This could be your driver's license or a passport. Make sure the identification document you're uploading is clear and readable, as Lili uses this to confirm your identity before proceeding. Once your identity is verified, it's time to choose an account plan that suits your needs. Lili offers several different plans, each with its own features and benefits. The Lili Smart Plan is a free option that includes essential features suitable for many small business owners. If you're interested in advanced tools like tax-saving goals and software integrations, then Lili Smart Plus might be a better fit. For those who might require priority support and some additional benefits, the Lili Premium Plan could be the way to go. Think about what suits your business best and make a choice that fits your goals. When you've selected your plan, it's time to submit your application. Be sure to review all your information thoroughly to ensure everything is correct. Once you hit submit, you're all done. You'll receive a decision upon completion, and if approved, your account will be set up. Finally, you can look forward to receiving your Lili Visa R debit card in the mail, at which point you'll be ready to start using your new checking account. With that, you've successfully navigated the process of opening a checking account online with Lili. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need to clarify details as you go through your application. Good luck and enjoy the benefits of your new Lili account.